Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow! So, have you wondered what you can do to actually win healthcare facility contracts? One of the most lucrative contracts you can actually win. So in this video, stay tuned if you'd like to learn what you can do to win a healthcare facility contract. And if you stay to the end of the video, I have a special for you. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to give you 7 things you can do to make sure that you increase your chances for winning healthcare contracts. Number 1, you need to make sure you do background checks on your employees, and not only in your state, you want to do them nationally. So if they may have traveled, really important, make sure you do background checks, number 1. Number 2, you are going to need some references. So one of the ways you can do that is get out there and volunteer. Volunteer, and when you do volunteering, ask them in exchange for volunteering if they would give you a reference. One of the best things is give something away free. Let them get a taste of what you do. You'd be surprised how far that goes. Number 3, you want to make sure that you have training in blood-borne pathogens. You want to make sure that your training is up to date and documented. And you can go to your supply store where you get your supplies, lots of places where you can actually do this. So that's the 3rd thing. The 4th thing is you want to make sure that you've looked at the latest CDC, Centers for Disease Control protocol. Very important. There probably is a way that you can download something, learn, just know what is the latest. Keep up with that because that is like the 4th way. And then the 5th way is to make sure that you update your insurance. Absolutely want to have updated insurance. Can't go wrong with that. Sometimes you need something extra other than just the normal insurance for doing the facilities. The 6th way is to make sure that you have a great training program. Have a really great training program when it comes to training your employees for healthcare, specifically for healthcare. So you want to focus on that. There's so many ways you can do that, from looking at hospital videos to learning to visiting YouTube on how to clean healthcare facilities, but there's so many ways. And the last and final thing, number 7, is making sure that you have your SOPs, your standard operating procedures, what they should do, what the next step is. It kind of goes along with the training. One may be where you're looking at them doing something, and the other may be where they're signing something, or you have something, step 1, step 2, step 3. That's what your SOPs are, standard operating procedures. Now, when I said if you stay to the end, I'd give you a special bonus. And that is going to be where I have a downloadable form that you can visit on our website, and we will give you all the steps I've given you. We're going to have it right, nice and neat, written down for you, so you can go and just download it and you can hold on to it and go step by step by step. Okay? Also, if you'd like to know more, make sure you click the link to register for our free masterclass. I go into so many industries when it comes to winning contracts, from facilities to hospitality, to large contracts, to what apartments, property management, so on and so on and so forth. So make sure that you click so you can learn all about the 3 pillars for attraction and for acquiring and for retention. Space is limited. I'd love to see you there. Click the description to register. It also tells you if you don't know what you should do next, this is what the next step is. Okay? Now, I'd love to see you real soon in the next video. So take care until next time, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.